Hey guys! Today we are discussing for demystifying cryptocurrency, from basics to advanced concepts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we are diving deep into the world of cryptocurrency, from its fundamental concepts to advanced topics that are shaping the future of finance. Whether you're new to the space or a seasoned investor, this video has something for everyone. So, let's get started. Part 1. Understanding cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is a digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security and operates on a decentralized network known as blockchain. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies are not controlled by any central authority, making them resistant to censorship and manipulation. Blockchain technology serves as the backbone of cryptocurrency, providing a secure and transparent way to record transactions. Each transaction is verified by a network of computers, known as nodes, and added to a public ledger, ensuring that the integrity of the system is maintained. Part 2. Exploring popular cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, the first and most well-known cryptocurrency, was created in 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Since then, thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, or altcoins, have been developed, each with its own unique features and use cases. Ethereum, for example, introduced the concept of smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. Ripple, on the other hand, aims to facilitate fast and low-cost international money transfers for banks and financial institutions. Part 3. Investing and trading cryptocurrency. Investing in cryptocurrency can be both exciting and daunting. Before getting started, it's essential to choose a reputable cryptocurrency exchange and set up a secure digital wallet to store your assets. When it comes to investing, there are various strategies you can employ, from long-term dealing to active trading based on technical analysis. However, it's essential to remember that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and unpredictable, so only invest what you can afford to lose. Part 4. Advanced concepts and future trends. As the cryptocurrency space continues to evolve, we are seeing the emergence of advanced concepts and technologies that have the potential to revolutionize the way we think about finance. Decentralized finance, or DFA, is one such concept gaining traction. DFA aims to create financial services using blockchain technology without relying on traditional intermediaries like banks. From lending and borrowing to decentralized exchanges, the possibilities are endless. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive overview of cryptocurrency, from its basic principles to the latest trends and innovations. Whether you're a newcomer or a seasoned investor, I hope this video has provided valuable insights into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content, and be sure to hit that notification bell to stay updated on all our latest videos. Until next time, happy investing! Feel free to adapt and customize this script to fit your style and preferences. Happy filming!